Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Reve AI in just a few steps. To begin, visit the official Reve AI website at reveai.org or download the mobile app for iOS or Android. Once you're on the platform, you can start creating without needing to sign up. First, enter a detailed description of the image you want to generate into the prompt box. For example, you might type a serene mountain landscape at sunrise with misty valleys and pine trees. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can interpret your vision. Next, customize your image by selecting from various artistic styles such as photorealistic, watercolor, or abstract. You can also adjust settings like aspect ratio, color palette, and lighting to fine-tune the output to your preferences. Once you've set your parameters, click the Generate button. Reve AI will process your input and produce a high-quality image in seconds. If the result isn't exactly what you envisioned, you can refine your prompt or tweak the settings and generate again until you're satisfied. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, download the image in your preferred format. And that's it. You've successfully created a unique image using Reve AI, all without any design experience. Thanks for watching.